Some birds can migrate for thousands of miles nonstop. A bald eagle's nest can be as wide as 8 feet across. Imagine the view from up there. Albatrosses can sleep while flying. Penguins fly underwater, reaching speeds of 20 miles per hour. A toucan's beak is really large, but it weighs less than you think. It's mostly hollow. Some owls can fly silently thanks to their unique feather structure. Hummingbirds can visit up to 1,000 flowers a day. Swans mate for life and can become depressed if their mate dies. Key parrots are known for stealing things from tourists. The Hoatzin bird's chicks